Hey guys, welcome back to the second episode of how to make a Discord bot with Python. And in today's episode, I'm going to be teaching you how to use events. The event I'm going to be making today is send a message when a member joins. So it's a very simple event, but it is still quite useful. So first, you want to do at bot.event. And now you want to do sync def on member join, and then you'll do member. Okay, next you want to do embed equals next chord dot embed. Okay, so now you want to set up making embeds. So this will also teach you how to use embeds, but it's just going to be very basic. I'll probably go more in depth in another video. So first you want to do title equals, and you can just say welcome, and then you want to put a comma, okay? And then next you want to do description equals, and then you want to do F before you do the quotation marks, and then you want to do you can do hello, and then you want to do member dot mention. So then when it does the embed, it'll mention the user, and then you can do whatever you want after. So I'm just gonna do hello, and then it mentions the user, and then it's gonna say enjoy your stay. So that's pretty much it. You can also do colors if you want to, so you can do color equals next chord dot color, and then it gives you, you can just choose. So you got red, purple, you got lots of colors, but I'll just do purple. You also want to remember to put a comma, and now you're finished with that. You can do await member dot send, and then you want to do embed equals embed, and then you want to save. Alrighty, so now I have to get one of my friends. Okay, now I have to get one of my alt accounts on to join the server. But first, before we do that, we have to run the bot, like run it. Yep. So now you're running it, and okay, I'm back. And the issue was that I regenerated the token after the last video, so I forgot to paste in the new one. So that should fix the error, because I was actually very confused. Yep. So now the bot is online, and if I bring it over here, you can see it's now online. Let's just make sure that the ping command still works. Yep, and it still works. So if I get my alt account, and I'll bring up my alt account, and let's see if it works. Okay, alrighty. I got my alt account here, and now I am going to, and I sent my main a invite. So now I'm going to join it, and hopefully it works. As you can see, the bot has sent a message saying welcome, hello, enjoy your stay. And that's basically it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. I have many other videos coming up, so make sure to like and subscribe to get notified when those videos get posted.